everyone, good morning. Welcome to the Baby Alive Daycare. I'll show you around. Alright, so we have some babies right here. Here's Mahaya and Nellie playing. What you playing with? Playing with this? Show me how the drum goes. Yeah, it goes like that. And here's Astrid. She's playing with some teddy bears. And Riley and Naya are playing with bears too. The rest of the babies are just playing with each other. And here's Simone in the walker. She's having fun with that light. I think Matilda wants a turn too. Matilda, why don't you play with a toy until she gets done, okay? See, some of the toys are lonely back here. Here, let me go show you some toys. Yeah, look at the toys. You could play with all three of them if you're having fun, Simone. Want me to push you back and forth? That's fun, isn't it? Yeah, she's enjoying the light. Look at this flower. This is a flower, and this is a bottle. So I'm just letting them play before I teach them some new things today. Walk, walk, walk. Bucket. Yes, bucket. Okay. You ready to play some games? You ready to play some learning games? You want some bottles, Simone? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Look, the flower. Yeah, flower. Hey, Nellie. It's almost story time. You ready? You want to go pick a book out for the class? All right, come on, let's go. Want me to help you? Okay. I grabbed some books so you can pick some out, okay? Do you want to read this? Do you want me to read this? Do you want me to read this? Or this? Look, yeah. There's this one. There's this one. And there is this one. So which one do you want me to read? This one? Okay. Want to help me grab it? Good job. Now let's go bring it to the class, okay? All right, class. All right, everyone. Nellie has a book for us. So I'm going to help you all gather up and sit in a spot so that way you guys can listen to the story. Sit right here. All right. You want sitting right there next to Matilda? All right, Mahaya, you could sit next to your best friend Nellie, okay? Sit you here, okay, Naya? Let's sit you over here, Riley. Do you need something, Nellie? I do that. Oh, you want to help me read? Okay, you can if you want. Okay, let's open this up. Want to flip to the next page? Good job. Good job, Nellie. What does that say? Yeah, it says I'm. So it says, I'm Emily Elizabeth. I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Yeah. So he is red. And what else does that say? Yeah, it says other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. Some are red dogs. I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. Nellie, you want to help with the story back? Okay. Here, let me grab it for you. And you can push it back to where the books belong, okay? All right, let me help you. Good job. All right, babies, now we're gonna be playing a fun drawing game. Matilda, do you wanna go? No? Okay, Simone, do you want to go? Okay, come on, let me help you. All right. Yep, walk just like that. Now you could pick what you want to draw. All right, so you could pick out of all, what do you want to draw? Do you want to draw this? Do you want to draw this? Do you want to draw this? You want to draw that picture? Okay. Let me draw this picture. Okay, what color would you like? You want to pick pink? Oh, you want to pick green. Okay. Yellow? Yep, that's yellow. Say yellow. Owl. Yeah, yellow. What do you want to draw on there? Alright. You want to draw that? Blue. Alright, let me pick blue for you. Alright, you could draw on her. Good job. Okay. That's your drawing, Simone. You think you did good? Yeah. Okay, Simone, let me help you walk back to your spot. Good girl. You want to go next? All right. Come on. All right. Take your time. Good job. Ooh, look, Mahaya, there's some guides that you can draw too that you can try to draw. But you could draw whatever you want, okay? Alright. Just click off of that and draw whatever you want. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah. You done? No? Alright, you can keep drawing. What's wrong? You want a new drawing? Okay. Here, do this. Yeah, that's how you erase it. Alright, good job. What else would you like to draw? Ooh, you drew an M? Good job. Are you trying to spell your name? A, M-A. H? You spelled your name! Hey, good job, Mahaya. What else are you gonna draw? Oh, you drew a heart. That's sweet. Mahaya, you just gave me a good idea. Why don't I write all of your... Why don't we take turns and you guys can write your name on the board? Nellie, you wanna go next? Okay. Alright. Good job. Good job, Nellie. Yes, N. N. N goes N. Can you say N? N. Yeah. E. E goes F. F. Yeah. Okay. L. L goes O. I goes I. And another E. Nelly. That says Nelly. Now you can try. And, ooh, that's blue. 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 Yeah, blue. E. Yeah. L. Good job. I. E. Okay, who wants to go next? Simone, you want to go next? All right, come on. All right, let me give you an example, okay? S. Can you say S? All right, that's close. I. Ayo. Yeah, I. M. M. Yeah, M. O. O. N. N. E. E. Good job. High five, Simone. S. Yes, S. That's an S. Good job. I. M. O. N. E. Good job. Simone. Amon. M. Yes. A. T. T goes T. Yeah. I. L. D. And A. Matilda. Oh. Alright, babies. Matilda, are you okay? Uh-oh. Did you bump your head or something? What is that? You got another one. Another one in your hand? Oh no. I think this is chicken pox. Come on, let's go. Let's go away from the other babies. Stand here and I'll call your mother, okay? Check to see if the other babies are... Oh my gosh. You're getting the chicken pox. Oh no, I think you shared them with her. So you don't get the other baby's chicken pox. No, Sky, don't itch it. It's gonna make it worse if you itch it. I'm so oh my gosh. Oh no, now she gave it to Maya and Maya gave it to Astrid. Alright, let's keep the other babies away. Let's take y'all to your parents too. Alright, I need to make... Oh my gosh. Wait, no, Simone, don't touch her. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need a... Poor Naya is the only one who doesn't have any chicken pox. Alright, I need to call your parents really, now. Hello? Yeah? Okay. You'll be right there? Matilda and Sky, your mothers are coming. Hello? Is this Simone's mother? Yeah, she got chicken pox. Yeah? You'll be right there? Okay. Simone, you're going home too. Alright, while you're... Matilda, you're growing more. Alright. Don't itch it, okay? Your mother will be right there. Oh my gosh, Naya, you have some too? It's okay, baby. It's okay. Your mother will be here soon. Please don't itch it. I know, Mahaya. Your mother will be here too. Hey, sweetheart. Oh no, you have chicken pox. Yeah, I'm so sorry, Lola's mom. I don't know what happened and how they got it. Alright, come here, sweetie. Oh, you got chicken pox. Oh my gosh. Here, come here, baby. We're gonna take you to the doctor, okay? Hey, sweetheart. Oh my gosh. Here. Let me see. Come to mama.